Richard Badley at Cedar Folly Farm in Fort Valley, Virginia. I installed solar so that I could prepay my electrical costs into the future. The farm is run on all electrical power except for one piece of equipment that they don't make with an electric motor. It was a long process. I had two houses, the farm and another house, and I wanted solar on both of them. I had a company that promised to do both. They unfortunately went out, so I went out looking for another company. And I found Paradise, and they have proven to be a partner in my solar endeavors. They were one of the only companies that would take a look at my existing solar from previous contractors and upgrade, and also partner with me for any maintenance, of which there's little or none, and manage the SRECs. I would say Paradise is a well-run company. They give you what they tell you they're going to give you, and I think anybody who hasn't put solar on their roof is behind the power curve.